G'day and welcome back to the next part in our video series on the 2026 canning. Today we're taking a deep dive into all the metalwork changes for 2026 and some of the little details that we've done to improve on the canning even further. Starting at the front, we've redesigned our main toolbox and our additional toolbox. Starting with the additional toolbox, the big change here was to take in consideration our new lock, which we import from Sweden, so they're nice, good quality solid lock. The biggest change here is we've moved the rivets that used to be along the front and relocated them elsewhere, so it just cleans up that front of the toolbox and keep it looking schmick. On the main toolbox, we've got the same locks as per the front. Redesigned it to just be a bit more ergonomic, fit our new 69 litre fridge. But one big thing that we ask at a lot of shows is, what's the point of this? This is, apart from looking really cool and being proud that we're Australian made, it acts as a door sniffer. When you go to some cheaper trailers or particularly the imported stuff, the doors are really flimsy and flexible. As you can see with ours, they're nice and stiff. So that means when you're on the corrugations, you're not going to get flex, which is going to flex and open up cavities against your joints and allow dust and water in. One of the other things we've done this year is we've redesigned the entire roof, and this is our new awning mount system. So completely designed in-house and made in Australia. We've got the new system which houses your big 270 bushwhacker awning, which is standard now on all cannings. On the driver's side, we've got our single shower tent mount, and also it expands into the mount for our double shower tent, all with the same system. So it's nice and easy to change shower tents or anything in the future. Good low profile system. That's one of the reasons why we designed it. Bring the overall height down, including with our custom awning mounts as well, just to make it easier to get in underground car parks, those low hanging branches and garages and things like that. And that's one of the big changes on the roof here of the 2026 canning. Down the back of the camper with some of the other metalwork changes for 2026, we've got our new rear dust deflector. This has grooves in there so the positive air coming over the roof of the camper is channeled down here to clean off all the dust and stuff that sits on the back of your rear bumper, this negative pressure zone. We've redesigned the rear trim, so now it includes the canning name, and then we've brought it all the way down here and around the locks just to finish it off a little bit nicer as well. On the rear bar, the big changes, still got your single spare wheel carrier on this hand side. On the left hand side though, we've got a second stub axle for our jerry can holder, barbecue holders, a range of accessories that are going to be coming out over the next few months that mount here on the passenger side of the canning. So also standard for 2026, we've redesigned our sacrificial guards. These are a great sacrificial piece designed to take all those stones, tree branches, all that sort of impact here on your main wheel arches. 4 bolts, they come off, touch them up with some Raptor, they're good as new again, and it keeps the main guard looking Mickey Mouse and keeping your trailer in tip-top condition. So that's a quick run through on all the metalwork changes for 2026. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell button, but also drop in the comments. What else do you want to see on the canning? What questions have you got so we can close them out for you? Next video, we're going inside and looking at all the sleeping accommodations on the 2026 canning and how much space is actually in there. So stay tuned for that, guys.